What's up, guys? I'm Shannon Icao, Counts Customs. Check out Bill's Cool Projects on YouTube. Take it easy.
Here in Colorado, camping, and this is the Sonders Fold X bikes. We're going to be going to Aspen tomorrow. Yesterday we did about 20 miles, but anyway, if you haven't seen my other solar projects, here's our RV at the campsite, and I've got about 1,500 watts of solar panels up on top and one on the back. I have an inverter, and right now charging the bikes up. So here's the Sonders Fold X, and I have the other white one I just did in the assembly video. If you haven't seen that, look at the video on that. But anyway, when we're out and about, we're charging the bicycles off of the RV inverter that's running on 4 lithium iron phosphate battle-born batteries, and then also, again, 1,500 watts of solar panels up on top of the camper. You can see 2 of them there, and one on the back, and I even have one on my truck camper, so look at the other video on that. But anyway, we're charging the bikes off the sun, and we'll see if we can shoot some videos. We're going to take the bikes to Aspen and ride around and have some fun on the Sonders. All right, here we are in downtown Aspen on our Sonders Fold X's running around. Plenty of torque. 4-inch fat tires. We're around the plazas here in Aspen, and then we're going to go on to some of the trails here in a bit. There's my wife's center drive Raleigh bike that has a Curtis mid-drive, and you see the battery is up on the luggage rack in the back. Kind of like the Pedagos have the battery up on the luggage rack. She loves that bike. Does good on the trail. And my daughter's up ahead on the other Fold X. Where I'm riding on throttle only, not even pedaling. This thing has got so much torque. I mean, it's just a 500 watt motor. Get the XS, it's got 750 watts, which is more than enough power than I ever need.
Happy Father's Day, by the way.
Yeah, likewise. Yeah, these are Sonders Fold X. This was like a crowdfunding project about 5 years ago. And Storm Sonders started developing the Sonders bike, and then this has just been out for like 2 or 3 years. And it folds in half. Handlebars go down, so you could take it and put it in the trunk of the car.
Right.
And it's like a 500 watt motor. You get like incredible range out of it, and the torque is amazing. It looks like a little kid's bike with the tires.
But it's just amazing what they, like, how this has all evolved. You know, 10 years ago there were like a few e-bikes.
Just a few. Oh yeah.
And
yeah. Now it's all you see almost.
It's here to stay.
Yeah, and they're full suspension. I mean, you get some serious stuff in these, but what I like about this, I tilt the handlebars off, drive them up into the back of my truck, and we just take them out. And then this is my wife's Raleigh, and I have a Sonders Fold down there too, but
I have a bike business, so I'm in the bike business.
oh, you know this stuff then.
I don't know. I'm more in the traditional cycling world.
The normal bike.
Well,
But this is like,
it's an alternative for us old people that we can get out.
Yeah,
and, you know, we're going to probably do 25 miles today, and like no problem.
Where'd you park? Where'd you guys ride from?
In town, downtown.
And you're gonna go up the pass and
we'll probably turn around and go back and just putter around. And
Yeah.
What are the wide tires like? No.
yeah, 4-inch fat tires.
So you can go off more like gravel, off-road.
All right, so we're west of Aspen, I guess. And there's this really long boardwalk. The Sondors is handling this pretty good and really rough. Hit the throttle when you need it, give you some boost. And like you're seeing in the video too, a lot of people coming up to these things because again, they don't look like a plumbing project where it's a bunch of bent pipes with a battery stuck on it, something different. And everybody always asks what it is. So Aspen's such a nice town to come to. If you ever get a chance, come here. You can see the ski slopes up on the hill up there from the plaza here. In the wintertime, amazing skiing. Get a better view up here of the ski slopes. They are definitely steeper than what they look. Here in Aspen too, Basalt Bike and Ski, they have e-bikes and they have a specialized line. And you see some people here are renting bikes. Guys taking some e-bikes out?
Putting them back.
Put them back? Have you ridden them before?
We have.
Yeah, pretty nice, huh?
They are great.
Yeah, we just finished up about 25 miles on ours. So I'm just...
And where to go?
You go up to West Aspen on the paths. Because these are like mountain bikes, so they're like gravel paths all the way north almost to the pass. You can shoot all the way up there, just amazing paths all the way around.
You went east.
You went east?
That's east.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, maybe that's what we did. We probably went east too.
You went up toward the pass.
The pass, okay. All right, if you're in Aspen, they have all these plazas, and with the COVID thing going on, this is June 20th, I think, and hardly anybody around, but the restaurants are open, and the center seating area is really nice. If you have a chance, there's a hole in the wall called Hops, really good pretzel bites with beer cheese. Alright, well I'm going to wrap up the video here. Check out my other videos on solar project, hot rod builds, e-bike type stuff, and look at my cool projects that I do. So anyway, if you have any suggestions for some new projects, please leave them in the comment field. Be happy to take a look at it and keep the ideas rolling and the content going. So anyway, appreciate it. Hit the subscribe button, ring the bell, and thanks for watching.